Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. I'm here with Bruce and his beautiful brand new Road Glide that we just delivered. You can tell by the look on his face that it sounds great. What's perfect about this bike is it's only 4 speakers. There's nothing in the bags. We only have fairing speakers and lowers. He was adamant that he wanted the new Beyma carbons, and he made a great choice. We have a ton of mid-bass in the fairing with the diamond tweeters backing it up. We did 2 Sound Digital Evo X 800.4s in the fairing, DSR1 DSP. This thing sounds phenomenal. So he's lost no bag space, and he's got tons of output. He can hear this thing clearly on the highway. Love this color. That is a great sounding 4-speaker bike with no loss of luggage space.